Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss an important introduction to Python, which is an important programming language and it has been used on a large scale since few years. So let's start. First of all, what is Python? Python is a general purpose high level language. General purpose means it can be used for any purpose and for any application. For example, if you want to develop a website or a game or you want to manage the data in the field of data science, then you can use this language. Next, it is a high level language, which means it is directly readable by human. Its interpretation is very efficient. Computer can interpret this language in line by line form. Its syntax, yani its method to write is very easy. You can easily write it without any complex rule, and it has dynamic semantic, which means you can easily update it and modify this language because it is open source. First of all, it was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989. Since it's too early when it was developed, but at that time there were no advanced development and specifications and applications were not so much as they are in these days. So due to this reason, it was not as much popular as it is these days. So therefore, this language has progressed a lot after 2000 because of two main reasons. First reason is that computer specifications are increased nowadays, and second reason is that we have increased number of applications, like we have field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, as well as data science where we need this language. Okay, let's move to the next reason why this language is so popular. This is because of four main reasons. First reason is that this language is very easy to use. It has no complex structure. We can easily write it, and it has no complex rules which we should learn before writing this language. Therefore, this language has gained popularity because we can easily write it in simple lines. Second, it is free of cost available. For example, if you are a student and you are under studying these days and you have not enough money, then you can easily use this language because you do not have to pay a single penny in order to purchase this software. Therefore, this language is free of cost available for everyone. Next main reason is that this language supports many applications, like if you want to develop a website, if you want to develop a game, if you want to develop anything which is related to your project or any other application, then this language will support you a lot. Therefore, Python is so popular that it is not limited to a single application, and you have no need to learn many languages for multiple application. But if you have learned this language, then you can use it in several applications. Another main reason is that this language has a huge number of libraries and modules which have already built in functions, and these functions can easily um, support different applications. A simple example is that Pygame is a software which is used to develop a game. And using this software, you can develop a game within few lines of code because this software has already so many built-in functions and libraries which are used to build a game and graphics and all the functions. Therefore, this language has huge library and support which can be used to develop any application. Okay, what are the main features of Python? First main feature is that it is simply available, which means it has easy syntax, as we have already learned about it, that we have no need to cram so many rules and keep a complicated structure in our mind to learn this language. Second, it is open source, which means that it is available and it is free of cost available for everyone. Next reason is that it is portable, which means you can carry a program written in this language and convert it into another machine and transfer it. You can even share this program with others. Okay, next reason is that it is embeddable and extensible, which means that if you have written a program in other language and you want to import that program in this language, then you can easily import that program in Python. Not only this, if you have installed one software of Python which is limited to one application and you have written a code in that software, then you can also import that code in other software. Interpretation: Python interpreter interprets the code line by line form, due to which its execution becomes more efficient. Huge libraries, we have already discussed it in detail, and object orientation means you can also use it for advanced programming part. Due to this reason, it has become popular. Thank you so much. That was all for this video. And if you have any question, then you can ask it in comment box and we will guide you. Thank you so much.